Do you feel the need for an office space but don't have the time, money or patience to search for it? Does wasting endless hours in traffic affect your life at work and home? We at Bootstart have gone through this process and we understand your concerns. Hence, we bring to you a reimagined idea of an office. Bootstart is a co-working space which knows the importance of hospitality and quality service. No matter how big or small your work or business is, you don't have to worry. Just bring your things and your ready-made office is waiting to host you.
We believe co-working spaces is like your neighborhood office, which should have proximities to your residential space and should be easily accessible. We started our first location in Bavdan, Pune in March 2017, where we got an overwhelming response and we were able to achieve 90% of occupancy.
As of April 2018, we have presence in 5 cities with 10 locations, more than 500 monthly members and around 1500 registered users. Our aim is to become an economical service provider in India and beyond.
We offer high-speed internet connectivity, fully air-conditioned workspace, comfortable work desks, spacious conference rooms, printer and scanner facilities, and a cafeteria.
Be it electricity uptime or internet or managed workspaces. So we don't really need to care about anything other than just turning up to work every day. So as the team continues to expand, we are now moving into a new space with Bootstart itself, a 50-seater in Lane 5.
First Bootstart in Mumbai, located in a quiet corner of Colaba. Hermil, who manages the operations here, has been very warm and friendly.
We have been associated with Bootstart for quite a long time. The best thing about Bootstart is it's open 24/7 and the kind of services they provide are totally suitable for a startup to run their business over here.
Right from the beginning, when I came here to look office, till the point that I signed up for this office, everything went smooth. I mean, we had consultants from Bootstart helping me across in everything, right from building this office to setting up the equipment to getting a new internet connection and infrastructure. So I can say that it's one of the most perfect spaces.
We are a team of 25 engineers and we've recently shifted our base at Bootstart in Pune. It's been over a month and I would say the transition has been really smooth. Ajinkya, Rohit, Neelam and the entire Bootstart team has been really helpful and always on top of their game. The facilities provided at Bootstart are really top-notch, be it the network, workstations, common work areas, cafeteria, food, even the house staff.
At Bootstart, we provide you with a platform to be a part of a hard-working and passionate community. A community not of competition, but of inspiration, with an environment of creativity, not of pressures.
We're planning to add different facilities at our different upcoming location for co-working and co-living, which will build all together different community for our co-workers who are working with us from different cities. Our current property in Goa is a very fine example of this concept. Set in the middle of the rice field, our property is located near to Mandram village market.
So we are working at Bootstart from last 3 months. We have increased our team from 3 people to almost 10 people now, and it has been very economical for us. At the same time, they provide best possible services.
We offer affordable packages which are flexible as per your work timings and duration.
In the coming few years, Bootstart is confident of having the strongest and the most diverse community of co-workers across India and the world.
making it such a pleasurable experience for us.
It's not only about the services they are providing, but the Bootstart team itself is really amazing.
The experience has been very positive.
I've had a great experience.
To come here, join us, join the family, join the community and get the most out of it.
So come along and be a part of the new work culture.